Well guys, it's about 8:30 I think, 8:20 in the morning. And again, we were going to do a video outside, but apparently this is going to be what it's like all day today. Thunder and lightning again. This is the kind of weather that the lightning strike got my PC and fried it. So if your electronic equipment's not attacked by the humidity, I went into my toolbox the other day and it was just full of rust. If it's not attacked by the humidity, then it's attacked by thunder and lightning. I mean, I know it's a bit sad, but I love it when it's like this as well. I mean, like I said before, not every day, but I can remember when I was in the UK, I'd be about 21, and I finished work and I drove up to a place called Ashover Rock, and you can see all over my little village from there and all over Ashover, and it was thundering and lightning, and I was sat on the highest rock under a sports umbrella. Now obviously that wasn't the most sensible thing to do in the world, but I lived through it. So yeah, I like the rain. And you see how it doesn't deter them from coming out and trying to clean up. It's a good opportunity for them to clean the floor when it's like this. But you know what guys, you come to the Philippines and you'll make some good friends, and if you get in the right place and you know everything falls into place, you'll really love it here. But it depends on what you're prepared to settle for. Are you prepared to settle for a simple life, or do you want to bring the West with you? Because if you want to bring the West with you, you're going to have to bring Western money with you, because the Philippines in that respect will not be cheap. It'll be no cheaper than if you're in the West. Trust me. Excuse me, what's your problem? Huh? Why do you have to be everywhere Daddy is? So it doesn't look like we're going to get anywhere today, but to be honest with you, we couldn't anyway, because my little baby's not very well. She's had us up all night. Her chest infection's really bad. When she's not asleep, she just coughs without any let up. We've had her to the doctor and we've been given boxes of medicine, and she says if it gets any worse she's going to have to go to hospital, and it's getting worse, so we might have to take her to hospital today. She's got me really worried, because I've never seen or heard a cough like that with a kid in my life, what she has. And with her being a little baby. What are you putting on your face, babe? Why? See, in the Philippines, right, these girls have got lovely brown bodies, and then they put this powder on the face and they look like they've just been made up in a morgue, and they don't realise that they're beautiful as they are. They don't have to put that stuff on the face, but they still do it. Now my baby she's not had much sleep, and when Mal doesn't get any sleep, she's not a very happy girl, just like when she doesn't get food when she's hungry. And as soon as she heard me switch the camera on, she got up. She'd only just put her head down. Now this little guy is getting better. You're getting better, aren't you, babe? Beautiful eyes. Good boy. He's getting better. His cough's going now. It's just this little angel we're worried about. God, breaks your heart when your kids aren't very well. You wish you could be poorly for them, which has got me really worried. So she doesn't look like she's improving today with this antibiotic. One of them's an antibiotic for kids. We've got like a dropper, and we got a little bit of honey and put it in her mouth earlier on, and it did help a little bit, or at least I think it helped, because her cough wasn't so bad. And then I've got her to sleep. But we just thought we'd do this video, guys, because it doesn't look like we're going to be able to do anything, does it, Mo? And we want to take this opportunity to thank all our patrons, the ones we have left anyway. I don't know if we've done anything wrong, but we've lost about 6 patrons up to now, haven't we? Well, it is what it is, I guess. But I mean, two of them actually sent me a message and told us why they were stopping, and it was nothing to do with us. So that's it, guys. We're really worn out. I'm that tired, I don't know what to say, because I'm gonna have to let Mel have a bit of sleep, because she's had less sleep than me. And this little monkey, once he's up, he's a handful, because if we don't get him out of his cot, he'll start screaming, and I mean really screaming. So we've got to sort him. So we just thought we'd do this few-minute video just to let you know what's happening, that we are going to try and do some more videos, but it's really difficult, guys, while these are not very well, especially her, because she's priority, as you'll understand. It just kills me when she starts coughing. Is there anything we have to say about anything now? Discuss anything? No?
About that, Terence and Beth.
Your baby?
Terence and Beth.
Terence and Beth? No, we don't want to say anything more about Terence and Beth. We don't want to encourage comments on the channel. Right, so that's it then. So it's over to you, babe.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
Yes, and a very big thank you to all our supporters, to all your kind comments, and again, our patrons, we love you. Please don't leave us, and we'll see you on the next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping